Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a special little girl in my life, and when she was a baby, this baby Einstein activity station was her favorite toy. What I really like about this is that it's really easy to use. It has a button on the side so you can choose 2 different volumes. And this button here, you can choose the language. So if you want to do English, you have the option of you have music, you have the animals, and then you have your colors. And then if you want to change it to Spanish, or if you want to change it to colors. And then it also plays music. Whenever you spin, the little baby wants to spin this, the music starts playing. And I don't know why, but babies absolutely love seeing these colors and watch it for hours. And it even has this flap on the back that you can prop it up, and that way they can just sit there and play with it wherever they're at. So if you're looking for hours of entertainment for your little baby, plus you want to teach them different languages, then I highly recommend this. It was her favorite toy. She played with it all the time. And that is just my point of view.